guys! It's the Aryat vlogger. What? Hey guys! Hey guys! It's the Aryat vlogger coming in with yet another ka-Aryat time. So it's currently like the last week of July and summer is about to end soon enough. So before another year of restlessness and craziness starts, I wanted to film an everyday makeup look for college. Okay, so before I start, I wanted to add this. A few days ago, I posted on my IG stories a package I received from Sephora. Okay, so I asked you guys with a poll if you wanted a review on this. 21 of you guys, I think so. 21 of you guys said yes, you wanted a review. Okay, so guys, if you're gonna wear makeup at school, you're gonna have to take care of your skin first. So before I start with the makeup, I'm gonna apply some skincare products first. Okay, so I've already washed my face with a facial wash and I've already toned my face. Moisturizer. Now I'm gonna use Benefit's Triple Performing Facial Emulsion. One pump on your index finger and one pump on your middle finger. If you guys are interested for a skincare video, just let me know, or maybe like this video and I will do a separate video for my skincare routine. Okay, while that sets, I'm gonna go in with a Petroleum Jelly. This is gonna be my lip balm. As you can see earlier, my lips are very chapped. Okay, now that we're all set, we're gonna move in with a primer. I'm gonna be using Benefit's Porefessional primer, but I will only be applying it to my T-zone. Before I apply foundation, okay, so before I apply foundation, I'm just gonna spray my face with a facial spray. I feel so fresh right now. Okay, now moving in with the actual foundation. Okay, this is it, guys. Now I've actually did try this before, like 3 times already. So it claims that this foundation is weightless, breathable, and it gives a natural looking coverage. Now, in my experience, it does feel really natural, you guys, and it's really lightweight. Like I don't feel any pressure right now. Anyways, yes, it does feel very lightweight. I don't feel like I've put on foundation. It's just like skin, but only evened out. Because as you can see, it's a bit dark on the outer part of my face, but you guys, this is light coverage, so you're gonna see some pimples, but I don't mind. I really don't mind. I'm not that insecure about my pimples. I mean, it's been there for like since I was 13 and now I'm 19, and believe me, for that long time. I just learned to accept it because no matter what I do, it just wouldn't leave me. Now this does retail for 1,800 pesos. And for me, that's a lot. That's really, really a lot. And considering that it didn't came with the beauty sponge na, the pink beauty sponge used to came with a sponge, the pink sponge. But it's not there anymore. So I think for 1,800 pesos, it's too much. But anyways, now I'm taking in my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge and taking a bit of the product and applying it all over my face. Now I did dampen my sponge, so yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna take my finger and then directly apply the product onto my face. Okay, now at first, when I received it, I thought it didn't match my skin. But that was just at first, but thank God it worked out. So it's just, when you try to order, you really have to be really careful in choosing your shade. Okay, now for that amount of product, that just covered half of my face. I'm just gonna go in again. Okay. So as you can see, your acne will still be visible. But that's just one layer of the foundation. Maybe if you build it up, then it will cover up all your imperfections, yung mga chika. But I'm fine with it. I don't really want to apply that much foundation on my skin. But yes, what do you think, guys? Okay, guys. So for the final P of the Hello Happy Soft Layer Foundation from Benefit, I think it's really Morena approved. But then, I'm not really sure if this is worth 1,800 pesos. If you're on a budget, then or you want to spend your money wisely, I suggest you really don't need this. There's a lot of other products out there, like the Bello Sunscreen Tinted Moisturizer, that one, and tons of other products. Okay, now moving in with my concealer. Okay, so I'm not really gonna put in a lot of concealer. Just one dab of the Maybelline, what do you call this? What do you call this? I don't know what this is called, I forgot. Just one dab. Okay, I said one dab. Okay, just like that. And then use your fingers, my fingers, to spread it all over the place. Okay, just like that. Okay, that's for the concealer. And now I'm gonna move on to the powder. I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild's Photofocus pressed powder. Okay, now with a brush. Now I'm gonna put it all over my face. I'm not really gonna put that much powder. I just want to set it because I still want to maintain that dewy look. Okay, so that's for the powder. Moving on to the bronzer. So now I have this Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer in the shade light to medium. This is a sample that I got from my sister. Okay, that's it for the bronzer. Okay, now for my tint, for this tint, I'm gonna be using it for my eyes, for my cheeks, and for my lips. So my tint is like a 3-in-1 kind of product. Actually using the Mary Kay liquid lip color in the shade Sherbet. I'm just gonna apply a bit on my cheeks. Okay, now I'm gonna spread it. Now moving on, wait, I forgot my brush. Okay, now moving on to the highlighter. Now this is the secret to dewy look. Now I'm using the Manizer highlighter. Put it on the highest peak of your cheekbones. See that? Taking in a smaller brush, this brush, I don't know what you call this brush, but I'm gonna take some highlighter and then I'm gonna apply it on my cupid's bow because it doesn't work with a big brush. We're gonna move on to our eyes. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm gonna start with the brow. So first step, I'm gonna brush, or I'm gonna tame my brows first. And now for my holy grail, this is the the Benefit Brow Gel. I don't know what it's called. I did my other brow off camera. But now we're gonna move on to our brow setter. Okay, this is a 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Now moving on to cleaning out the edges of our brows. So you can actually use your concealer, but since I have this Benefit Highbrow pencil, I'm gonna use this to clean out the edges of my brows. Okay, now we're gonna blend that out. I think I'm gonna use a sponge because this is too much. Moving on to the actual eye, I'm gonna take again the Mary Kay. Like I said earlier, this is my 3-in-1 tint, and apply it on my lids. And then you spread it all over your lid, like all over your lid. Now we're gonna move on to our eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna use this waterproof eyeliner from Manizer. So when I apply eyeliner, I really don't go all the way. I just do the tip. Final step for your eyes is your eyelashes. And then I'm gonna use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. We're gonna move on to the lips. Again, I'm gonna take my Mary Kay liquid lip color and then apply this to my lips. I'm actually just gonna put on a little bit and then use my fingers to spread it out. Okay, so after the lip tint, I'm also gonna apply lip gloss. This is the Benefit Hula gloss. I don't know, but yeah, this is just gonna add extra dewiness. And I'm also gonna apply, I forgot earlier, I'm gonna take again my highlighter and with the brush, I'm also gonna apply some highlighter on my inner lids. Okay, now for the final step, facial spray. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit and be right back. This is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was somehow helpful, informative. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you will subscribe and like this video. And also I really do appreciate if you have any comments. So yeah, thank you.